Before starting, make sure your eFOLDi scooter is placed on level ground with no obstructions and away from children or pets. Press the B and C latches with your thumbs and pull the carry handle upright. Release the steering tiller by pulling it away from its magnetic catch. Release the front wheel and steering tiller by pressing catch E. Pull the front wheel assembly over the scooter until you hear the locking catch D engage. Release the front wheel by pulling it free from its magnetic catch and lower the scooter to rest on the floor. Pull the steering tiller upright until catch A locks into place. Pull the seat back upright. Lower the foot pegs. Your eFOLDi is now ready to ride. To fold your scooter, put the foot pegs upright. Fold the seat back down. Press catch A and lower the tiller to rest on the seat. Lift the scooter into the upright position. Fold the front wheel until it locks into place. While supporting the steering tiller, press catch D and fold the front wheel into the scooter until catch E locks. Fold the tiller until it engages on its magnetic catch. Press catches B and C with your thumbs, then lower the carry handle. To operate your eFOLDi, insert the power key and turn on. The display shows battery power level. The drive switch has positions for road, reverse and pavement modes, with the reverse mode giving an audible warning. There are controls for a headlamp including rear lights, indicators, a horn, and hazard warning lights. Speed is controlled by a twist grip. Braking is fully manual with brake warning lights and includes a handbrake lock. To release the handbrake lock, simply squeeze the brake lever. To remove the battery, simply unlock and pull the battery free. When inserting the battery, always make sure the lock is in the unlock position. Simply drop the battery in and lock. The battery has sockets for its charger and a USB socket for charging personal items. The battery may be charged either in the scooter or standalone. Only use a genuine eFOLDi charger or your warranty may be affected. Please refer to your manual for further information.